next section in the course. Today we're going to learn about half steps and finding your first chords and building them. There's two ways to do this. First I'm going to explain to you the way I teach it easily, and then after I'm going to introduce you to a method where you can find pretty much all major and minor chords straight out of the box. So let's start. Okay, so we want to, first of all, we want to understand that our fingers are laid out. If you look at the screen now, we've got the thumb as number 1, index finger is number 2, third finger is number 3, ring finger is number 4, and the little finger as number 5. And it's the same on the left hand as well, which just goes in the other opposite direction. Okay, so we're going to put our thumb on the C, and then we're going to put the preceding fingers on the preceding notes. So C, D, E, F, G. That's all our fingers now, from thumb to pinky finger. Now what we're going to do now, we're going to raise the 2 and the 4. So the index finger and the ring finger we're going to raise now. Okay, that's hard, I know, it's difficult, but we're going to get used to it because we're going to practice doing this a lot now. So what we're going to do, just to quickly get used to it, is move up the keyboard, keeping our finger in this shape. Obviously you play from your wrist, that's how you want to play. You want to play like a hammer action. Okay, then you're going to go up like this. Or if you knock a couple of keys on the way, it's natural to start with. Okay, and then with the left hand, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to put the thumb on the G this time, and then you're going to put the 5 fingers down, going backwards. Then you're going to raise the 2 and 4, and then we're going to go down the keyboard in the same shape. Every single note, touching every single note along the way, and going down. I'm not going to go too deep because it gets a bit muddy down here. Okay, so you can practice that up and down, and yeah, until you get proficient in it. Now, that's the clue was there. I pretty much showed you how to find the first chord. So what you do, you lay your finger over the 5 notes, and then what you want to do, you want to play the 1, the 3, and the 5, and there you have a chord. Also, quick tip, if you look on the left side, you see the notes written. Anytime you see the chords like this, that'll be a root position chord, okay? Anytime you see it written like this. So that'll help you along with your music literature later, or whatever you want to start, if you want to start. Okay, so the second method to find any minor or major chord, we'll put our thumb back on the C, and then we're going to count every single note, that's including the black notes. First to 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to count 3. 1, 2, 3. There you go. There you have your major. Works. Let's try a bit somewhere else is a bit more tricky. Let's try the here. So here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3. There you go. Major chord. Okay, so basically it's 4 and then 3. Okay, that's you to find a major chord. To find a minor chord, you're going to switch it, and you're going to do a 3 and a 4. Okay, so let's try it. Go back to the C, then we're going to do 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Check if it says it in the top. C minor. Okay, let's try it. One more here. 1, F sharp. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. F sharp minor. Okay, so that's the 2 methods to finding all major and minor chords. Okay, so practice that, get it until it's like locked in your head. You can go along all the keyboard, find all the various chords in every single key signature, and yeah, just practice it with both hands, and when you're done, then you can move on. Okay.